In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF in Figma. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go to figma.com and go to the design or project that you're currently working on. Now from here, I'm going to add a GIF. So let's just say I want to add a GIF right below this. So click here on this icon and create. Let's just create a small frame right here, or this, I think, there. Now you want to put it here. Now we want to add the image. So let's just say, oh, no, let's just say this rectangle. Add it there. Now we want to add an image. So let's just move this. So let's say this image. Click here to add an image and just upload your GIF. As you can see, this is my GIF. I'm going to add it right here. So we'll not be able to see it right now, but if we present, you should see it right here. We just need to play it. So let's just create a new one to show you that it's playing. Click here on fill, add an image, add your GIF right there. So as you can see, it's playing here, and it's not playing right here in the center. So we won't be able to see it here in the editor. So you need to present. So this is what it should look like. So mine is for phone. So as you can see right there, it's now moving at the top. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.